welcome to Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. So today's video is a designer Gucci cake. Literally Gucci. Now, I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes like if I see something that's like bougie, I'm like, oh, that's Gucci. Like we have this one supermarket that's like super expensive and like we call that the Gucci supermarket, you know? So, but this is literally the designer brand Gucci. I ordered some stencils and stuff. I think I showed them to you. It was like a while ago because you guys know I have the Louis Vuitton ones. If you saw my video with the Christmas cakes and I made the Louis Vuitton cake, well, these are going to be Gucci, and I'm making the matching cupcakes to go with the cake. Now, this is actually going to be a birthday cake, but it is in the shape of a heart. So if you want to make something, a Gucci cake for your loved one for Valentine's Day or for a friend or anything, then stick around and watch the video. But yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right into this. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the cake. Let's see how this cake comes out and the cupcakes. So on that note, let's get rolling. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap this video up. It is actually 11:30 at night and I'm finally done. I'm really tired. These took me all day and I started making them yesterday. I started making the roses and stuff yesterday. So yeah, but I absolutely love the cake. I think it came out so good. I think any woman who likes designer stuff would truly appreciate this cake for Valentine's Day, birthday, or whatever. I am a little mad how this came out, how the Gucci gold Gucci symbol came out. I still might off camera try to cut it out and maybe try to put a new one on top. We'll see. I'm not gonna make any promises, but I might try to do that. But yeah, I think that it came out super good. I really love this, and the cupcakes that match are absolutely bomb.com, and I like it. And I am loving the metallic, the little gold pens and the stuff that I use, and some diamond dust. I did use a new diamond dust. I went in my sugar art box to get one out because I have not yet gotten to do this video yet, so that will be coming up soon to show you what is in my box, because I even forgot. And I have a couple other things that I want to show you guys, but to be honest, today was a really warm, not that warm, but it was warm today. And if you guys seen my cake corner before, you'll know that like there's a huge bay window right here and the garage door is right here, so cold air comes in through here and cold air comes off of these windows. It is freezing in my cake corner, and it has been so cold lately that I couldn't even, like, I would have to work in a sweatshirt and stuff. And it was just been so cold. Like, I have so many Valentine's things I want to make, but it's just been freezing and I cannot stand over here all day like this. Today it's actually been warm. I actually brought a little space heater down and put it down in the kitchen because I was like, I have to make this cake and I'm freaking cold. So that's what I had to do. Plus I baked all day today during school. Shh, don't tell anybody. So during our online classes today, as I'm monitoring the chat box, I'm mixing cake mixes and stuff and making cakes and cupcakes. It's funny. But yeah, so I was able to get it warm, but it is starting to get cool again. So at least the cakes and cupcakes will be okay. So on that note, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any molds and stuff that I use, I will try to find them online and link them down below. I usually try to hit up Amazon first and then maybe like eBay or Etsy or something like that, because maybe I could find like another wholesaler or reseller or something like that. But yeah, so all right guys, I love you so much. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, please be kind, because you don't know what kind of battle someone's going through. So don't be a dick. All right guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.